unprecedented drought conditions are prevailing in Andhra Pradesh. There is no water, no crops, and no fodder to the cattle. The sufferings of the people are unimaginable. The situation is too severe in Chittoor, the native district of Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu. Drinking water problem is very acute. People have to walk miles together to fetch a pot full of water. And added to this, 9-hour power cuts in rural areas is compounding problems further. The government machinery has totally failed to rescue the people. They are in complete distress. The Food for Work program is the only hope of the downtrodden.
తాగనీళ్ళు లేవు మనుషులకు గొడ్లకు గిడ్డి లేదు గొడ్లకు మంచలకు పిల్లలకు అంతా కష్టంగా ఉంది నీళ్ళకు అంతటికీ కష్టంగా ఉంది.
But the rice sanctioned under the scheme is not reaching the needy. Even the village level workers of the ruling Telugu Desam party are becoming rich. The scheme is helping the TDP workers but not the poorer sections of the society. Who cares for the distressed people?
4 ఎకరాల పొలం ఉంది, 7 ఎకరాల చేను ఉంది. అర్ధన అమ్మేవాళ్ళు అర్ధన ఇచ్చేవాళ్ళు. ఇప్పుడు ఏమీ పొలమేమో
బియ్యం కొనుక్కునేది కష్టం అయిపోతా ఉన్నది.
Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu is a high-tech man. The people's plight in the drought-hit areas is not at all bothering him. The people in his own Kuppam constituency are not better anyway. Much hyped Israel's system of agriculture is showing a negative impact on the farmers. In an attempt to bring the facts to light, Mr. Pedireddy Ramachandra Reddy, President of Chittoor District Congress Committee and MLA of Pileru, had launched a 480-kilometer long marathon Padayatra covering 10 assembly constituencies. He had chosen Kuppam as a launching pad for the Padayatra to highlight the problems of the poor in CM's assembly segment. Padayatra also aimed at developing interaction with the people and knowing their problems, and also put a pressure on the government for redressal of their grievances. The 15-day Padayatra had evoked an overwhelming response from the public. It helped the Congress party to gear up to encounter the misrule of the TDP effectively. The Yatra was flagged off by APCC President M. Satyanarayan Rao at the heart of Kuppam town. The venue of the meeting itself is indicating a warning to the Naidu government that the Congress party will not take rest until TDP is ousted.